Lil Yachty spent $1 million on his friends. Rap and hip-hop have evolved into something entirely different thanks to Lil Yachty. He is involved in a variety of endeavors, including the fashion and modeling industries, and this has increased his wealth to $8 million. The good news is that throughout it all, he didn't abandon his buddies. In an interview, Lil Yachty claimed that despite lavishly spending over $1 million on his buddies, he has little luck getting them to reciprocate because they are too lazy. They seem not to have an interest in making their own money.